Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Discover a world of elegance and charm with the best crochet handmade table runner ideas and design, perfect for creating stylish table settings that capture attention and admiration. These intricately crafted pieces bring a touch of artistry to your dining experience, elevating every meal into a special occasion. Immerse yourself a diverse range of patterns and styles from classic lace motifs to modern geometric designs, each excluding its own unique charm. Whether you prefer delicate pastel hues or bold, vibrant colors, there is a crochet table runner to suit every taste and aesthetic. Not only do these handmade creations add a layer of sophistication to your table decor, but they also showcase the skill and craftsmanship of the artisan behind each stitch. Embrace the ambience of your dining room or special event with the timeless beauty of crochet table runners, transforming your table into a focal point that reflects your impeccable sense of style, embrace the artistry of homemade decor, and create memorable dining experience with these exquisite crochet table runner designs. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.